Hangzhou HuaCuiYuan Silk is a professional supplier based in the Silk City, Hangzhou, specializing in top-quality custom-printed scarves, fabrics, ties, apparels, and related textile. We offer top-quality products and service at competitive prices, 100% quality guarantee, and timely delivery. We endeavor to procedure best available fiber options while manufacturing our products. Accuracy and setting of raw fabric materials are handled by our skilled staffs. Suitable permitted dyes and inks certificated by Intertech and Ocotex are used in our products. We have a dedicated team of skilled craftsmen, professional designers and technicians, and quality inspectors who work round the clock to bring you the most fabulous creative products. What makes you comfortable to work with us? 1. 15 years experience supplier for top quality silk scarves and related textile. 2. Products are made by ISO 9001 and Ocotex standards strictly. 3. Exclusive supplier for 10,000 plus world-famous brands. 4. 6A grade mulberry silk fabric material. 5. One-stop customization services, from fabric option, size, and hem method supported. 6. Advanced printing machines and equipment. 7. 60-plus free sample swatches. 8. Quick sampling service for approval before production. 9. Low MOQ. 10. Direct company to guarantee quality and timely delivery. 11. Strict QC each and every product before shipping. 12. 24 hours online. Fast response to customers' inquiries. 13. Expertized suggestions. 14. Customized label and packaging. 15. We treasure our customers and offer after-sales service with full responsibilities.